Hello and welcome back to a new video. Today I am at Freedom Park to explore the Bangalore Habba. Freedom Park was once a central jail and now it has been transformed into a place for art, culture and public gatherings. The Bangalore Habba is happening until the 25th of Jan and you can find all the details on bangalorehabba.in. There are so many interesting installations here. This right here is called the Altered Space, a work that is an intersection of art and technology. Makala Habba is a child-friendly space and they have so many things to explore. Not just kids but even adults will enjoy it as well. My favorite was the Phytoplankton World by the Museum of Goa. It is an immersive underwater world where education and creation come together. They also have children's workshops happening. This installation is called Kere Party and it explores Bangalore's diverse flora and fauna. Also currently there is another exhibition called Mirage happening at Freedom Park. It is a handicrafts exhibition by master craftsmen and will be up until the 25th of January. I have also made a video on the Lal Bagh flower show and you can check that out as well. I hope you enjoyed exploring the Bangalore Habba with me and I hope you like, share and subscribe to my channel. That's it for this video and I will see you in the next one.